Okay, so this is me showing you how to export your InDesign folio as a spread, and it's for all your formative checks that you do a spread. Okay, the first thing you need to do is when you do your export, you need to make sure that all of your images are linked. If an image is linked, it will have this up in here, okay, and not this here. So these things here are your warnings to say that you haven't linked your documents properly. There's another screencast for how to do that if you have this as an issue. From here, to export as a spread, you go File, Export. You are going to title it with your name, so P East, actually I'm going to put that in the right, P East folio 18, it's going to be a JPEG, go save. You are going to do all, okay, so it's not going to be arranged, it's going to be all, and you're going to go spread, maximum, baseline 300, and just go export. Okay, so let's go and look at that folder now, and you'll see it's starting to come through. You'll see this here, that's the file just loading. If you interrupt the file loading, like shutting your laptop down or anything like that, what happens is your image will come out like this. So I'm just going to go out of that folder and go back in. Sorry, my computer's very slow today. There we go, and that's the image. Okay, so you can see I've got my 2 pages there. These 2 images had the warnings and those were fine. So let's have a zoom in. It's going to go sharp very soon. So you'll see that this image here is actually pixelated. Okay, and they had a warning sign. The image next to it did not have a warning sign, so it's nice and sharp. Okay, so make sure that, well, you know, it's got a little bit of pixeling, but that's because I zoomed in so much. It's not the file problem. So what you need to do is always make sure that your warnings are corrected before you do any exporting.